Touch it easy. Come on! Stop over!
Pressure.
Good touch. Yeah, George. George. Good, good, good. All the way up, all the way up. Hit it, right on top. Watch it, Johnny!
Great set, Randy.
Fine. Go, Johnny! Woo! Right. Right on top. Cross up, cross up. Fine. Come on, Johnny. Yeah. Nice.
Good save.
Cut!
Easy, y'all.
High cross, high cross. Right there. Right, no one, no one. Johnny, over it! Good line. Right side. Hit it. He's up over it. Turn! Good, good. Good, good. Cross. Go!
This is the second game.
Angle. Cut, cut, cut. Hey!
First game, 11-8. Randy and Douglas lost.
Cross.
Side out.
Line. Go, Johnny, again! Try. Cut eye. That's damn it! Come on, move it! Go! Just line! Good. Right there. Highline. Johnny! Over him! God dang it! Highline. Oh, that's nice! Line! Touch it easy! Highline. Oh! That's line. Over him. Yeah! Check the mark. Line never moves. Red?
Side out. Side out.
Line. Cookie. Sorry. Over. Good. Highline, quick. Go, Johnny. Over him. Come on. Over him. Done. Line. Hit. Okay. Right. Oh, yeah. Woo! Just out.
Don't go, because I'll beat your ass before I beat his ass.
I definitely don't know about that.
Yeah, I already did beat your ass.
They played a great last match.
And I can probably say it wasn't because Kevin was your partner.
Dyer, were you playing at the last point?
No, sorry.
You weren't recording at the last point.
No. I'm sorry, Randy.
Can he accept that?
Doug said it was giving him bad luck, so I turned it off.
Uh-oh,
And that's when you guys turned around and started playing, so.
As long as you turn on John and Kurt. Let's watch. I'll go ahead. game, guys. Good plays. I cheer on all of them. This is a good luck charm, right? Forever.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, you don't think so? Oh, but this is.
Kevin's partner.
I could fucking deck this guy right now. I like him. I put him over
Greg,
the fucking.
how do you say your last
over
name?
the banners. Emos.
What?
Moot Hearts, huh?
Moonheart.
There we go. Right on. Okay. Did you get that in there? That's Moot Heart.
Slot park. The old fucking over on two.
Right on.
Over on two. Huh? This guy. Here's the play there, so-
Woo! Lucky win. Lucky, lucky, lucky.
It was a good thing we went 2 out of 3 in the finals because it went to all 3 games. I think it was a tremendous final. Even the sun is sitting over Lanai. We hired this whole one bench. What? Actually, I would like to take people that are sitting on golf carts so we can restart the Saturday night golf course all day long. I really want to thank you very much. Okay, team down, 2 more winners, and in second place were John Anderson and Kurt Crispin. Our defending champions last year. These guys have won over the years. I did not merchandise the first of all David, they like you. They like you. Way to go! We brought a crowd out here. You guys are a little late. Please, we got every kid guy doesn't know what's sitting over there. I like our event better. Okay. The winners of the 1987 8th annual Pro V Emos Volleyball Tournament are Randy Stokland and Doug Avery.
Save it.
And this year we had a new prize. We have a round-trip ticket for these guys to the island of Kauai to our new restaurant over at Kauai called Keoki. So that's not a half bad deal. First of all, I want to thank everybody for coming out. It's an enjoyment to play in Maui here, and I think everybody should give it a round of applause. And the guys, an enjoyment to watch you guys. Dave O'Leary and Jason, huh? You're half this team, buddy. Just because we have the #1 guy over there doesn't mean he can do it all by himself. So we like to do it with you. I'd just like to thank you. I'd like to thank everyone for coming out.
You can barely see the rainbow, but it's there. Try to get up a close-up of it, see if we can get some better color going. Doodle-doo-doo. Right outside of Honokowai. And I'm staying at the Mahana Villas. Out in the other island you see right there is Lanai. In the distance you can't see, but that would be Oahu. And this island over here is Molokai. And we'd be looking to the north now. Out to the west. And out to the southwest. And some of the coastal skirts. Uh-oh, wait a minute. The rainbow is getting closer. Brighter. Surf's picking up. That might be a surf day. Tomorrow. Magic, it disappeared.